you ended up with a fully vacant property, and then, I mean, did you do one unit at a time? Did you gut the whole building? I mean, how much
Hmm.
did you actually spend on the renovation and what?
So yeah, for this property, everybody ended up leaving. So then I had a fully vacant fourplex, and again, hard money, so it is expensive. The interest was like 12% interest only, so I think my payment was like 1584 or something like that. So again, you have a vacant building. There's no income coming in. It was stressful for me financially. Luckily, I'm just so thankful that I had a family member that I could live with. So if you guys are trying to do a house hack, who knows? Maybe you can live with a mom, dad, or maybe a family member or friends or something to reduce your expenses. Because luckily for me, that's what saved me. Because yeah, I had more money to save. Because again, when you have a vacant building, it's expensive. Not only are you paying that hard money lender, you got to pay taxes, insurance, and your repairs, and
Yeah.
there's a lot of money coming out, but nothing coming in. So